So we are on a SUP event with Anton from Hitups. Primus is infiltrating our SUP. People here.
Na spodek można zahaczyć finem. On jest czerwony, biały, czerwony, to tam nie wpływamy.
Ready?
Trochę się boję. Odległość, jak się ma spięte łokcie nad głową, to one powinny być spięte w miarę tej samej proporcji. To jest tego przydzielstwa, że jedna dłoń do dołu albo do góry.
No, Konrad. Ćwiczenie na SUPie. Exercises on the SUP. No, to dobra. Very nice view.
Jest 4.
Ale też chyba na treningu to bomba.
Oj nie, na treningu to bywa tak, że no, w tej pijance, jeżeli to będzie trening na płaskiej wodzie, to raczej nie będzie.
Tam jeżdżę do Włoska,
Wiesz, teraz już tylko odcinek tych płyt, to jest, wiesz, to jest tyle, a cała to teraz tak wygląda.
Nie, no jeszcze dużo.
Sporo, ale to było. Ale teraz tam wrócę teraz.
Ania, uwaga! No. Trzeba do dole. Mhm.
Jeżeli chodzi o moc fali, to jest to na tych krótkich, nie? Było z 7 osób na surfingowych, na SUP-ach takich surfowych z 5 osób było.
There's so many birds here. Very beautiful. So
So we are arriving water steam system. There is a couple of them, and I was on the other side, and these gates were fully open for the full size, almost full size, I think. So here is like only 10 and 15% open, which is interesting. I think we are getting closer to other river or sea. So see what will be next. So today basically I'm moving forward as long as I can just to see what it be. Very interesting perspective. I think no one is looking for the costume from this side. So just looks like it looks. And we are arriving some kind of marine. Maybe police boat, but we'll see what will be next. Very interesting bridge. I just have a flashback from Metro DLC. I think they had almost the same bridge, you know, with the kind of things upstairs near the river. Very nice. It's actually interesting kayak base. I didn't find that they have a professional one, but it's here. And I think that they are training right there. We'll see a bit later. Yeah. And then Dobry. And finally, yes, he's happy because he has something to do. I'm running from you, man. Yes. Very nice. Oh, nice. This bridge, I finally found it. And to the left side it's port, and I think my way is restricted to go there for the port area. Instead it's necessary, but not sure. Probably I can go there, but not in night hours, I think. Anyway, it's interesting, looks interesting. Many boats, just nice to observe it. Yeah, that is pretty interesting. Old boat, Commander Gdansk. I think Commander is retired for right now. Yeah, but the boat looks nice. Heavy duty finished. MV30. Myślę, że depths 30 meters. The green light should be the same. And yeah, that's interesting. Here is a pretty big bridge and lots of fishermen, and basically here people say that they catch the fish, so this is the best spot for the day. And the whole day I'm just talking out of the camera, but I'm feeling great. The good setup, everything is super fine, and now I will try to move forward, see what will be. Here is something pretty expensive stay, and one catamaran is just in air. And basically it looks like a wharf where they build this
nice catamarans. So cool. Here's a base of other touristic boats. Very interesting to explore, like where the different boats are just staying. And here is a region, which I think not expensive too. Такие old school boat. Music from Caribbean Pirates of Caribbean. Nice. Yeah, I just understand I never saw in real life the wooden boats broken in water laying there for the long time, and this one is definitely lays here for the long time. Very nice. Pretty atmosphere thing. Bardzo ciekawe. Very interesting. Yeah, very intensive fuel plant. You can see how big fog right there in the center. Riding in a storm. Dun, 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 dun. It's just night. Yeah, have to go to special bridge to rescue from here, so have to go. So this is the end of this port, and now we are going to the bridge, and I can see the bridge is just in front of me, which is very nice. The distance, I think about half hour, maybe hour, which is completely good.